What's going on, everybody? So, yeah, my GX470. I was driving fine, and then I went on vacation for about a week. Didn't drive it. Came back, heading to work, started up, got check engine light. So, I couldn't pull a code because I was already on the way to work. Came home, pulled a code. Says I got a p0333, which is a knock sensor. And right then I was like, shit, that's gonna be a pain in the butt to do. But it's not as hard as some people say. You just take your time, figure out what you got to do. There's basically you take off all the plugs here for your injectors, your harness, everything off this side as much as you need. Don't try to rip everything out. You got nuts on each end, and then in the middle you got bolts. On the other side I took off, let's see, you're gonna have to release the ground off of your, what is that, the engine hook, whatever you want to call that. Release the ground from there to give it slack for this harness to go back towards the firewall, to give it some slack so you can slide the plenum, the manifold off the studs, because if not, you won't be able to pull it out. And then instead of disconnecting all the coolant hose, get all the coolant leaking everywhere, I just unbolted from the manifold. Everything looks pretty decent. Not the greatest, but for older car, it's not bad. But yeah, I was doing my inspection, and sure enough, it's exactly what others been having to issue with rodents. So this is the passenger side knock sensor, which was somewhere right here. I pulled it under and over. I didn't want to take all that off. That's it right there. So I'm gonna do some more inspection on these wires, make sure nothing else is chewed out. I kind of figured it was rodent too when I first found this out, because there was little footprints freaking everywhere. Let's see on that. I don't know if you can see, but I've been rubbing all over that, so I don't think there's enough to show you. Like all that those little, there you go, all those little footprints there, that was it. So if you do have this issue, most likely that's what it is. And don't go buy your parts until you take it apart, inspect it, see what it is. I was hoping it was somewhere else where I can just easy access and just butt connect it. So as of now, I don't think I'm gonna buy a new harness. I'm just gonna put the wires together and solder it up, and then black tape or put some kind of coating on it, and probably make it thick as I can. That way it doesn't happen again, because I do live out here in the countryside. So hope that helps if you do run into that issue. Good luck. It's not hard. You can do it. Just make sure your gaskets stay on when you put it back on. I don't think you have to get new ones. Now, I'm just gonna slap them back on. We should be okay.